There is a role for somatostatin analogs in patients that do not have hormonal symptoms, and this is really extrapolated initially from the PROMID trial, which was in 2009. This was a randomized phase 3 placebo controlled trial that looked at 85 patients with midgut tumors that were randomized to receive either octreotide LAR 30 milligrams IM versus placebo. After 6 months of therapy, 67% of the patients that received octreotide had stable disease versus 37% in the placebo arm. Median progression-free survival was 14.3 months versus 6 months. With that information, national committees such as the NCCN, the European Medical Society of Clinical Oncology, and the North American Neuroendocrine Tumor Society updated their guidelines to include octreotide LAR 20 to 30 milligrams IM for patients with unresectable or recurrent metastatic GEP tumors. Another trial that I'd like to discuss with the advanced practice clinicians is the lanreotide trial. This was a CLARINET trial in 2014. This was a large, randomized, placebo-controlled, double-blinded study that compared lanreotide to placebo. Patients, for eligibility for this trial, patients had to have well-differentiated or moderately differentiated tumors. They were grade 1, grade 2. Patients had to have had no disease progression within 3 to 6 months prior to study entry. Patients with pancreatic tumors, midgut tumors, hindgut tumors, and tumors of unknown origin were enrolled in this study. The findings of this study showed that there was significant improvement in progression-free survival in those patients that received lanreotide versus the placebo.